Alright, so we're gonna try to attempt a gun robbery. First, you have to shoot the door. Then you gotta shoot the guy inside. And then you can go in there and grab all the guns. And then you have unlimited gun supply. Oh. But you try not to die.
Wow. I'm gonna retry real quick.